In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the sales order to sales invoice. As you can see here on 19 January, it says send all items to Mr. Albert, which is our customer, against the previous sales order. And the order number is 25. Let's just scroll up a little bit. And this is the order number. Order number is 25 and customer has ordered all of these items. So against that, we are sending all of them items. So we don't need to create an invoice at that time. Rather, we will use the old sales order and just simply convert it to invoice. What we can do is just go to the customers in sales and click on sales order to move forward to the sales invoice, or otherwise we can click on sales invoice and click on new sales invoice. From here, I'll just simply select the customer, which is Mr. Albert. And as soon as I select this all area turns gray. And it will ask you to apply to the sales order number. So we want to apply it to the 25 sales order number. You will see a list of sales order number if you have more. Select this and it will show all the sales order quantities. So we just have to mention one by one the quantity that we are sending them. In this case, we are sending them the complete quantities. So I'll just replicate one by one all the figures. Now let's change the date, which is 19th of January. Let me just put 19 January here. Due date is automatically set, but you can change it to whatever you want. Invoice number, let's change it. And this is how you do it, but just make sure to save it before moving to the next one. Click on save. And again, it's showing you this message that this is over the credit limit. We can reset it later. We can increase the credit limit. So at this time, let's continue with it. So click on save. If you want to see the transaction again, because now that the sales order is converted to sales invoice, now it will affect accounts. So let's click on this one, next transaction. What it will do is it will show you the most recent one in some cases, but not in this case. So let's go to the previous one. We can click on this one, previous transaction, click on journal entry, and this is the complete journal entry of it. So that's how you do it. That's how you convert sales orders to sales invoice. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.